Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email is a clear and polite response to the writing prompt. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video and read the full answer. The email includes all three required points. It gives the apartment number and move-in date, apartment 305 on June 1st, explains two problems, a leaking sink and broken heater, and asks when they will be fixed. The email starts with a formal greeting and clearly says the reason for writing in the first sentence. Then, it has two short paragraphs in the body. Each one focuses on a different part of the task. The final paragraph politely asks for a time and gives the writer's availability. The tone is respectful, which is right for a message to a building manager. This email uses good linking words like first, second, and even though to make the ideas easy to follow. It also includes two stretch words, cupboard and repairs, which may be new to beginner learners, but are useful and easy to understand in this context. One helpful tip: always check your email has a clear purpose and covers every bullet point. You can even underline the key parts after writing to double check. Practice writing short, polite sentences like, "Please let me know," or "Thank you for your help." They are great for everyday emails in Canada. Here's a strong example of a CELPIP response that clearly supports option A. If you want more time, you can pause the video to read the full answer. The writer starts by choosing option A and gives 2 reasons: many families with young children, and the park should be a place where families spend time together. These points are explained with examples from the neighborhood, which makes the answer more personal and convincing. The email follows a clear structure. It begins with an introduction that says the choice. Then, there are 2 short body paragraphs. Each paragraph gives 1 reason with supporting detail. The ending restates the choice in a clear and friendly way. The writer uses linking words like firstly, also, and for these reasons to connect ideas. This makes the message easier to follow. The stretch words equipment and welcoming are higher level words, but they fit well and are easy to understand in context. Here is one helpful tip. When you give your opinion, try to explain why it matters for your life or your community. Personal examples like, "My children often want to go to the playground," help your writing feel real and strong. This response is a good example of a clear and complete answer that supports option B. If you need more time to read, please pause the video now. The writer chooses option B and explains 2 reasons: help everyone relax and make the neighborhood more beautiful. These ideas are simple but well explained, using real-life examples that show why the garden is a good idea. The answer is well organized. It starts with a sentence that gives the opinion. Then, there are 2 body paragraphs. The first one focuses on space and comfort for older people. The second talks about beauty and relaxation. The last sentence repeats the opinion in a polite way. This makes the message complete and easy to understand. Helpful linking words include firstly, also, and for these reasons. These words help connect each idea clearly. The stretch words uneven and peaceful are slightly higher level, but they are correct and used clearly in the right place. Here's a useful tip. Try to use one example from your own experience. Like, after work, I often like to go for a short walk. This kind of sentence helps show how your choice fits your life and adds strength to your answer.